Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to train with Zwift step by step. First, you will need to connect your smart trainer or other sensors, like a power meter or speed and cadence sensors, to the Zwift application. Make sure your bike is securely mounted and properly calibrated for the most accurate data. Next, create your Zwift account and complete your rider profile, including your weight and FTP. Finally, take a moment to explore the diverse virtual worlds and the many training options available to you. Once you are set up, it is time to choose your training. Zwift offers an extensive library of structured workouts and comprehensive training plans. You can easily filter these by duration, intensity, or specific training goals, such as improving your climbing or sprinting. Alternatively, consider joining a group ride or a virtual race for a more dynamic and social experience. Select a plan that perfectly aligns with your current fitness level and your available time commitment. During your Zwift ride, pay close attention to the on-screen prompts that guide you through power targets and intervals. It is crucial to adjust your effort to stay within the prescribed zones for optimal training benefits. Feel free to utilize the in-game communication features to interact with other riders, adding a social dimension to your workout. Remember to stay well hydrated and fuel appropriately throughout your session, just as you would during any outdoor cycling activity. After each training session, take time to review your ride data and performance metrics. Zwift provides detailed insights into your power output, heart rate, and other key indicators. Tracking your progress over time will allow you to clearly see improvements in your fitness and endurance. Based on your performance, you can then adjust your training plan or set new, more challenging goals. Continue to explore new routes, participate in events, or delve into advanced training features.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.